Hello friends, how are you doing? My name is Atanu De. Welcome to my YouTube channel B2M, Beginner to Maestro. According to IEEE Spectrum, Python programming is the top language of 2020. This particular video is related to the idea about Python programming. What we can do with the Python programming. How Python programming can reduce the manual effort from daily life. How Python automation can make the life easy. If you want to know all these things, then watch the video till the end. Before that, if you are visiting first time in the channel, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the related videos of this series. Now, we will see what we can do using Python. Every day, we type a lot of messages through WhatsApp, but sometimes we miss to wish someone in a special moment. Don't worry for that. Here the Python will help you to send the message automatically without any manual intervention at the particular moment. For that, earlier you have to fill an Excel sheet by putting receiver's mobile number in the first column and corresponding messages in the second column. Here you see on the screen, similarly you can put multiple rows. Once you double click on the batch file, then the message will automatically be sent to the corresponding persons. You can set particular sending time by editing the batch file. Look at the screen. For this particular program, the message has been sent to my friend Gablu. Similarly, if you are facing problem of sending same type of reporting email every day, or if you are feeling irritation of sending individual invitation email by mentioning individual's name, then don't worry. Python will help you to get out of this problem. Similar with WhatsApp application. Here also you can store email bodies and email IDs in an Excel sheet. Here you can see on the screen there is no email at the recent time in my email inbox. Here you see on the screen, similarly you can put multiple rows. Once you double click on the batch file, then emails will automatically be sent to the corresponding receivers. Here you can see that this email account has been received an email from my different account 0 minutes ago. We all know about Alexa music system. Probably we all like it. But all of us cannot afford it. Don't worry, here we can mimic Alexa music system by automating YouTube using Python. After double click on the batch file, I'll give a voice command to play a song from YouTube. YouTube, play Rabindra Sangeet.
Please wait, Rabindra Sangeet will be played within next 10 seconds.
Now the song will be played soon without any touch on the system. The song got started. Now I am bringing up the black screen in font to show you that how my next voice command will be displayed on the screen. YouTube, play Bahubali song.
Please wait, Bahubali song will be played within next 10 seconds.
Another comment is passed. Based on that, a new song has been started by replacing the older song. At the end, you can stop the YouTube by making a voice command whenever you want. YouTube, stop. If you want to make such thing by your own, then watch each video of this tutorial series. In the next video, I'll come up with Anaconda and pip installation tutorial.